Nakatanggap ka na ba ng mga fake reward messages from random people? Kasi ako, maraming beses na. Alam kong hindi lang ako yung mga nakaka-receive ng mga fake reward messages from random people like this. So if you're using GCash, this is how to secure your account from scammers. So pag-usapan natin ang top 3 red flags about that phishing scam. I know most of us is aware na sa mga ganitong klaseng messages, but let me share this to those people na hindi pa aware. Red flag number 1. Text message saying you won a promo pero wala ka naman sinalihan. Red flag number 2. Text message ask you to click a link to claim your prize. Be mindful sa mga kiniklik nating link. Kapag kinlik natin yung link sa text message, we are giving those scammers na ma-access ang ating personal datas. Red flag number 3. Text message ask for your MPIN and OTP.
My name is Jamie Hunt Parent. I've been a notary for 4 years. During the pandemic, I lost my job and I was on unemployment. And I'm a foster parent, and when you're a foster parent, you're not allowed to be on unemployment. They did give us a little bit of leeway to try to give us a little bit of stability, but I had to get off of it as soon as possible. And in order to get kiddos into my home, I had to get a job. So that's why I became a notary. And now that I'm not only a notary, I'm a loan signing agent and I'm a signing service owner. I now have the ability to give kiddos a safe place to stay. I'm now an adoptive parent now as well. But now I have the ability to take care of their needs every day instead of going to a 9 to 5. And that's because of me being a notary. So I just signed up for the CRM. And one of the things that I've been having a difficulty with is I use multiple different CRMs. I have one for this thing, one for that, and a lot of things end up just getting pulled at the wayside because I don't have a CRM for everything that I have. But because of what everything has been built with Loan Signing System with their CRM, I now have one location for everything that I'm needing to do. So now I'm not going to be leaving money on the table because everything is in one place. And I'm really excited that tomorrow when I'm